Hey guys, so I just finished at work. So now I want to go get my nails and hair done. Hopefully I do get them done in one day because I can get irritated sometimes. I'm gonna go get my hair and nails done, and yeah guys, my hair is giving sisi ngicela ungilahle, ngicela ungikhiphe sisi ungiwash. Yeah, sorry, that's the sound of an aircraft, and it's Elink. It's Embraer, it's Rolls-Royce. Anyway, so yeah guys, this vlog is pretty much just y'all like spending the day with me, you know. A very sad day with me because I'm going through something. Well, I'm reminded of something that happened last year on this date, you know. And yeah, it's a painful reminder, but then I guess you live with it, but you do not get over it. Yeah, it's just like that. You live with it, but you don't get over it. But yeah guys, I've just planned a trip to go back to Durban. I'm going to view an apartment in Durban because I feel like, oh my god, this is inside the car actually. Nigga, please go. Okay. So I've just planned a trip to Durban, last minute trip. I was not intended to go to Durban. I didn't want to go to Durban, you know. I wanted to go see my granny and just be at the villages for like the next 3 days and stuff. But I just feel like whatever that I'm going through actually needs me to pack my bags and just move to a different province. So I am actually going to view this apartment, you know. It's long overdue now. I did view the first time, but that was like last year in December. Was it? Yes, I did view. So this time around, it's like I'm actually pushing to actually move to KZN, you know. I know it's not good to like run away from your problems like this and whatever, but I just feel like my problems, all of them, can actually be solved by me moving to KZN and just starting a new life there with nobody knowing me and just starting a new life, man, you know. I think that will actually help me heal quicker because there's no province I hate than Johannesburg. Gauteng. Joburg is not a province, it's a place. It's a city. No, it's not the city. Pretoria is the city, so there's no province I hate than Gauteng province. Yeah. And yeah, guys, you know. And I know, like, even when I'm vlogging and stuff, it does not actually show that I'm, like, actually going through something. But I am, and it's so bad. Like, I shouldn't even be smiling. I should be crying. I shouldn't even be smiling or even cry. I shouldn't even be smiling. I should be crying and not having the effort to leave my bed and just, but because I'm the girl that I think I am, and I believe that this is just temporary pain. It's not pain forever, it's just temporary. And like I said on my previous vlog, the last one when I was in PE, and I made like a Bible, I quoted a Bible verse, Romans 8 verse 18, that said that the pain that you're feeling now cannot be compared to the joy that's about to come. And I feel like there is joy that's about to come, because I can't be going through this. No, guys, I'm so young for this. I can't be going through this, you know? But I'm just living with that hope of like, there is joy actually. Like, there is light in the tunnel. I can't see it now, but I'm just living in faith, you know, that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And yeah, guys, it's just, that's my life. That is actually my life. Like, I know I shouldn't even be like packing my stuff and running away from my problems and whatever, because I know when I go to Durban tomorrow and I come back, I'm back to reality again. And I feel like that's what frustrates me more, you know, because it's just frustrating that I have to come back. And the thing that has been like keeping me going, and I've noticed it actually, is listening to gospel. Guys, I feel like when this year started, I've been like, you know, focusing more towards my relationship with God, and I listen to a lot of gospel. Like, it's so hard to like listen to piano and stuff now, because like I'd listen to piano and everything, you know, like the gqom and whatever, but I just want to listen to gospel, you know. And I remember when I was in PE, when I was telling you guys that when I was at the club, they were playing piano and I'm a gqom person, whatever. Guess what I did when I got to my hotel room? I was literally just listening to gospel. I didn't listen to the gqom that I wanted to hear at the club. Which is like, girl, I don't know. But I feel like God is revealing so many things to me right now, you know, and he's removing me at places that I'm not supposed to be at anymore. And he is removing the people that their time have actually expired in my life, and it won't be serving me purpose anymore with whatever journey that I'm on, you know. And just to finish up this talking and we go back to the vlog, I just want to say that my 20th, when I turned 20, I actually dedicated my 20th year to being alone and healing from so many things, healing from childhood traumas, family things, and whatever. But now, when I turn 21, I literally just want to dedicate that to rebuilding lost connections, especially friendships from high school. I feel like it's most importantly friendships from high school, and building new friendships, you know, without having to doubt and being scared to trust, and just like, you know. And what else? Like, my 20th is just me leaving out of my shell now, you know. I just want to stop going away alone. I just want to stop turning down people, because I just feel like it's not the right time for me to be going out with people and grooving and going on lunch dates, because I was just isolating myself from so many people. But now all I want to do is just heal myself. Not heal, but like rebuild those friendships and do the things I used to love doing. Playing basketball, and then just, I'm gonna cry, oh my word. I'm really gonna cry, because I didn't know that's how much I missed it. I'm just like reconnecting with like my old friends, and I just want to reconnect with my old friends and just, I didn't think I was gonna get so emotional. So you probably can see how much I've been going through, and I'm just like trying so hard to be strong. And oh, you look so ugly, bitch. Yeah, I really just want to really dedicate my 21st to friendship, you know. My word, I can't believe I actually cried on a vlog. Never. How do you do that? What you said, team? How do you cry on your vlog? How do you just tear up like that? Anyways, guys, let's go. Hey guys, finally I meet you guys again. I just finished doing my hair. That's on per. And I did my nails. I did gel because I was just tired of acrylic, and just for a breather, my nails must just breathe. So I decided to do gel, and then I did my toes. I painted them white, and yeah, so now I'm gonna drive back and then pick up my little brother, and then we're probably gonna go for like some stuff that he needs, and then we're gonna have like a mini lunch. I think it will depend. We're gonna have like a mini lunch, and then yeah, that's where I'm gonna end the vlog. But for now, let's go, guys. I forgot to tell you guys that my brother doesn't know that I'm picking him up, so now I'm just like, where am I going to look for this guy? I don't even know where I'm gonna start. What if I find him with his girlfriend and stuff? Ish, guys. I guess my brother is not a fan of surprises. He's not a fan of surprises. He is so mad. Why are you so mad? He is literally not a fan of surprises, but he's fine now. I had to sweet talk him and whatever. He was just like so mad. He's like, why would you do that? Why would you come to school like that? I'm like, how did I come to school, nigga? Huh? How did I come to school? It's a surprise. So it wouldn't be a surprise if I told you that I'm gonna come today. Are you not excited to see your sister? You haven't seen her in a long time. Exactly. So please, nigga, let's go inside and just annoy each other for the next 2 hours, right?
What's the time?
But why do you have to wear your school uniform fully? You from Sportsmos?
Oh,
Unless there's someone you're gonna go see in there.
hey, Melanie, this outfit doesn't make sense.
It does make sense. You're from sports.
Because you came out of nowhere.
Yeah, nigga. Anyways, guys, let's just go in.
You could bet that, never gotta split that. You could bet that, never gotta split that.
Cash, I be the rubber man, you be the match. I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker.
That's so fake, bro. That is so
Be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the fall. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I put your pretty little hands in. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's even war down, we can do it, baby, simple as that. This is love, it's a short thing.
Bet that, never gotta split that. Bet that, never gotta split that. Bet that, never gotta split that. Bet that, never gotta split that.
Be the fire, baby. If I'm a blunt, be the lighter, baby. Fire it up, brighter, baby. You can be the cooler. From the lyric, baby, you can be the new. Or
Was this your perfect date? This was our perfect wedding. So we are done. Really? So I'm just gonna get some food. We were gonna sit down, but we are both exhausted and tired. So, right? So we are both exhausted and tired. So we can take away somewhere and then just go home. Plus, I'm having like the worst paper dates ever. So I think it's best that we actually do go home. So yeah, should we end it here?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.